Hi guys, ito ang ating Terraza Marta Townhouse Unit model natin na complete package. Itong inner townhouse unit natin ay may sukat na lot area 46 square meter at floor area na 44 square meter. Available din sa atin yung mga excess lot sa townhouse unit natin. Pagpasok natin sa complete package townhouse unit natin, naka-granite tiles na ang kitchen countertop with built-in cabinets, overhead, and under sink. Meron na rin tayong laundry or service area at sa katabing pinto nito ay fully furnished toilet and bathroom with lavatory, water closet, and fixed shower. Ceramic tiles na both in first floor and second floor. Fully painted na ang interior natin. Naka-analog sliding window na rin tayo. Ang stairs naman natin ay merong non-slip ceramic tiles installed na with metal and wooden railings. Pagkakit naman natin ng second floor, merong itong 2 bedrooms with built-in cabinets. After turnover, pwede nyo ipa-modify, ipa-improvements from actual turnover ng ating townhouse unit into your preferred design up to your property line. Ito ay very spacious, a mid-end with quality house and lot offer. Hindi lamang yun guys, flood-free ang ating subdivision offer, highly accessible and near to all establishments. Also, our exclusive subdivisions offer 24 security, standard roofing, CCTV cameras on strategic locations, main gate entrance with landscape garden, wide concrete roads with curbs and gutters, social hall, basketball courts, underground drainage system, centralized water system, and power supply. At pinakamaganda pa rito guys, developer assisted na kayo. Once you avail townhouse unit, absolutely no move-in fees, no hidden charges. Our housing loan offers Pag-ibig financing, assisted na rin ang approval process of your Pag-ibig requirements, free installation na rin of water supply and electricity, included na up to conversion of title, transfer of title. Meron din tayong offer na RFO, ready for occupancy townhouse unit. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? For appointment or schedule of our house tour, daily free tripping and reservation, kung gusto nyo na mag-avail ng ating townhouse units, kindly message me direct sa post natin na ito or kindly contact me caption below. Thank you for watching guys. See you!